Hi everyone. Yes, today right, I have time to do live for FCPO and sorry for yesterday. We have a lot of thing to do. Okay, before we start for FCPO, right? Sorry, I'm sleep on the bed. Maybe when I move, right? Maybe camera it check. Okay. Before we discuss, right, we want to mention about the whole picture, the big picture for FCPO first. Now, right, our plan is we follow the blue line. The blue line is identify got power down. Got power down, that means price have chance to move lower than previous low. That means FCPO have chance to move and touch at 1,800 one more round. In the big picture, after we zoom out around 2006, okay, we already saw the big picture. The big picture already identify FCPO is have chance to move lower than previous low. This previous low is around 1,800. And now what we do in ARTT, right? We plan to sell as high as possible. That means we think our scenario, right? Before, I think a few weeks ago, we want to wait until price rebound. If price rebound, we plan to apply ARTT version 2, and this is Y1, X1, Y2, X2. After that, if X2 happen, we plan to sell as high as possible and let profit run until market move lower than this low. But market didn't what they call didn't rebound. They also show rocket pattern down, continue rocket pattern down in small time frame here. That's why we only one choice. We need to follow the what they call. We need to follow the small time frame first because in terms of trading, right? Small time frame action first, big time frame action later. Why market gap down today? If you are fundamental or you are another techniques or something like that, but in ARTT, right? Because of market already hit target down yesterday. Yesterday we are here, okay? We estimate target here, and yesterday before market close, market already hit target down. Hit target down in ARTT only one translation, one meaning is mean continue. But if price continue, price have two scenario. First, rebound first. Rebound first, after that move down. Or continue move down. In this case, we cannot, what they call, if you are news member, maybe you cannot identify. But I just want you to think about this. Okay, because before we sell, right, we mentioned about rocket pattern here. Okay, Y1, Y2, X1, X2, this is rocket pattern. If we zoom out one more, you also see rocket pattern. That means rocket pattern is continue. Rocket pattern is continue. That means seller is very aggressive. Okay. That means if you try to buy, right, you need to take risk. Okay. In ARTT, right, if price rebound here, if I'm hold short, I still hold. I will hold until okay. In this strategy, right, we already mentioned if you are intermediate term or you want to let profit run. If you want to let profit run, that means you must have skill. Okay, you must have knowledge, and you must have lion heart to hold position and resist when market rebound and against your position. if you don't have, right, when market gap down, you happy, but when market rebound, your heart is shaking because you scared to lose money. If you cannot control your psychology and you cannot apply theory to engulfing your heart, okay, you must apply theory to become your compass, okay. Don't allow your opinion to control your trading strategy. In this case, if price rebound, we don't care because this is still downtrend. But if price rebound and significant rebound, that means they should rebound here. Okay, because this is a hedge of gangster. If they have chance to wash and range first criteria, hedge of gangster, we may apply Fibonacci to push this A, B, and C. After that, because of hit down, if they hit up, okay, hit up, that means it have chance to sideways in future. To analyze this case study, right, you need to apply Fibonacci. Okay, let me draw Fibonacci and drag market down because we want to measure target up. Okay, and after that we draw the line to identify Fibonacci target. Fibonacci target is here. Okay, and change the color to different color, maybe better. Wow, in the red color, it's good. Okay, after we measure finish, we delete. Okay, as you see, right, if price rebound and wash and rinse, they still not finished yet because just wash and rinse and move around here, they may look like fail wash and rinse because wash and rinse but cannot hit target up. That means if price rebound and wash and rinse at first criteria, it's not mean price can move up. It means price also need to move up a little bit to hit Fibonacci up. Hit up is mean they can move up because they still have chance to sideways in future because in the ARTT we try to control our psychology by Fibonacci. That's why this rebound is not significant. Significant rebound is mean they should rebound to wash and rinse and hit target up. Hit target up, right? It's not mean they can move up. They also after hit up, they also have chance to retrace again. That means if you hold short position, that means it's no need to scare. If you use ARTT as your compass and use your knowledge to engulfing your heart. Okay. Now we zoom out and look back. Okay. Now, right, if we zoom in here, you saw, right, now in big picture in day chart, now FCPO don't have power up. This is too dangerous for member that still hold long position and try to hold position against rocket pattern because rocket pattern, right, they have big and strong momentum. If you try to against signal, if you try to apply your opinion, your personal opinion to hold position and against market, you may got problem. Okay, you only have one choice when you want to apply technical analysis. Only one choice. Just follow the market. Just follow the chart. But one thing, right, that you must know before you want to follow market, before you want to follow chart, you must have knowledge first. If you don't have and you think you have, This is very dangerous. Okay, but to solve this problem, because I already mentioned, right, you should follow chart and you must apply knowledge. But one thing that really dangerous is sometimes you think you know, but actually you don't know how to prove, how to measure your level of knowledge. That's why ARTT try to solve this problem. We already design examination for and split this examination to become 3 level. Actually, we have six level, but we apply 3 level first because 3 level is just like a first screening to screen or filter our member have skill enough, have knowledge enough to apply their own knowledge in market or not. Okay. Now this rebound is look not significant. Okay, if significant, that means they should rebound and hit the red color. If not, and you hold short position, don't worry. Market still give you some money. Thank you very much. See you after market close for market summary topic. And if you are a Thai student, we also start for commentary for Thai language, but we follow Malaysia product first. Thank you very much. See you after market close. Or if anything happen, you just follow my Facebook. Thank you very much.